Now we have a sphere. So for the 0, 0, 0, the sphere is in the middle. And we're going to place it above our picture a little bit, so it's like so it's now floating above the picture. If you want to color it, if you go all materials, you must have something yellowish material. If you just drag it into a sphere, it will turn it into y is 0.3. It's scale also everything 0.3.
Where did you drag the material?
Go to all materials
and
pick any, maybe just frame maker.
Where did you drag it to there?
Into sphere.
Oh, you just drag it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Materials are under Qualcomm.
In favorites, there's all materials.
Oh, okay. Flame.
Almost there. It's weird.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then you change the scale somewhere, right?
Yeah. I set it to 0.3 for all x, y, z.
0.3.
And x is 0, y is 0.3, z is equal to 0. So the image of the sphere depends on how big it appears on the camera. So, and it can be anywhere related to the picture. So, one more thing, one last thing. If you click AR camera, you get to see the camera view. Currently it's not, I'm unable to see. So if I set this, so let's try x 0, y 355, z 0.
Image target. And then image target can go here
If you click the camera, where did it go?
and now you just need to select image target. Drop it down.
Yeah, I'm just
Oh, you make
The
prefabs and Qualcomm?
so you need to make sure.
Oh, I think you already did that one sometime.
Image target. You need image target as well. So go down here and get image target. And now image target, you go over here. And the image target data set. I don't understand why, but just do that. I got it.
And then I just drop this 3D object in from game object.
Yeah, the game object, create other
Sphere.
yeah, sphere. And it drags in hierarchy, drag sphere into image target,
Oh, okay.
so it becomes a triangle. one last set is to link the data set into a camera. So in the inspector of AR2 camera, there's something called dataset load behavior. So I click load dataset.
The inspector of the AR camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dataset load behavior script. And I'll load the data and activate.
Dataset load behavior?
Yeah.
Correct.
So yeah, just
Okay, yeah. And you click
activate.
load dataset FlyBy and activate. Okay. I'm just repeating everything you're saying. It helps me learn.
Is everyone here?
He pretty much.
So if we
We
play.
open the door.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait, I don't see it.
No, you can open please, it's really hot.
Oh.
So wait, how did you get the camera to show up?
You play the
Oh.
Oh my god, it's awesome.
Whoa.
I'm actually really like
That's amazing.
What happens if you shake it? Oh, it shakes. My hair looks terrible.
What?
Your camera.
It's like a hockey
You
player.
just get to pick up.
Come on.
You don't
Can you
sound
make it
too
go to your
bad.
face?
Yeah.
Can you make it go to your face?
Go back to your
That's a little picture of your face.
There's the main camera.
Can you?
You could.
What did
No,
I do wrong?
Sorry.
Yeah, mine's not.
Oh, microaggression.
Right?
Oh,
And then you go down on the camera, scroll down to the right on the.
Is it the field of view of the camera?
No, go back to go to your
You can't see it.
inspector camera.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
hold on,
Scroll
wait.
down.
Oh, I mean
Oh, okay.
before that, the
Go to
activate.
the camera.
Where you activate the data.
Click on load.
It's the AR camera. And you go there.
Oh, okay.
there's something
Uh,
called
recognizes it even when it's upside
What is it
down.
called?
Wait,
Activate.
what?
Low data set. Go to the camera
Data set behavior.
Okay.
Yeah. Load data set FlyBy.
and activate.
Cool.
That is so cool, man.
And load data set.
Can you write this? Let's try.
Yeah!
Okay, so,
Ah.
oh, okay. I
You
got
get it?
That.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh, I got it! Oh my god! Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, look. You can add a light.
You really can't.
Nice.
You can?
I think.
Oh, the light changes according
You
to.
can
Well,
zoom
you
in
probably
with
animate
the
it.
I
You
just
can
added
do
a
whatever
light.
you
Yeah,
want.
yeah, you can do whatever.
yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh my god.
Make a whole scene on here.
Can I model my own head and then hold this below my head? Have
Yeah.
my head pop up next to my head?
Yes, you can.
Your wildest dreams
Or
can
can
come
we take
true,
a-
Seth.
That is actually my wildest dream.
Send it to your mom.
Load it in and
Then
kind of
you
use
have-
that as like a.
Yeah.
It would depend on the lighting though, probably, right?
The lighting, yeah, but like if it's on the paper, it does it. And I try to do it on my face. But if as soon as I turn it, the dimension changes, so I can't. It doesn't work unless I do this.
Gotcha. Makes sense.
What if you could like combine this with OpenCV so it could recognize you?
Totally.
It's pretty smooth, like it's hard to.
It's beautiful.
It's
That's awesome.
You could do-
So it doesn't have to be a sphere, it can be anything, like animation.
It keeps its relation to the.
And this works for iOS.
Yeah, I can. So one of the features they provide is like I can take a picture and track that. I'll demonstrate one of the.
So sick. It's amazing.
Can you attach a light to it?
why looks like a moon? Doesn't it? Test it out. Test it out. Take a picture.
Oh.
You just stop it.
Okay.
It's kind of interesting how once it latches onto it, it can really hold it, you know?
No. So you input the and then now go to your assets. Go to your assets. Well, I mean here this is where you do it. You do it under assets when you do it. So you have to look for the
Go down to the size of it.
Go to your camera.
And make it
It's
like,
the
Well, I mean, the rig is bigger, but
What happens
no,
when you
you
do
want to
global?
scale it.
With only one?
I don't know why.
okay.
Yeah, that's, get rid of delete that.
No, but it also, I mean, I think it just isn't showing up because there's no, like, texture on here.
So let me try this. I'm gonna add a sphere.
I don't know the
Add a
assets.
light
Go to window.
It's
Go to asset. No.
How do you save this? Isn't it, there's something funny about saving it, right?
How do you say what?
This.
The video?
Well, you need to
I'm
go
in a
to
script.
Qualcomm.
Let's see.
So you need to go to assets and then you need to go to
It's kind of
Qualcomm
hard to
augmented
figure out.
reality.
They don't have any plugins. I can pay $20 so.
Okay.
I'll put it on my website. I don't know how to do it on Android, but I can.
Now, how do you save the Unity project?
You don't have to save it. You just have to save the scene.
Save
Yeah.
scene.
Yeah, and you can basically copy the whole folder to anywhere you want, and you can just run it there too. So it's kind of, I don't really like it, but it's handy. Well, I have to make like different projects for every project, and it takes a lot of space. It doesn't automatically delete all the files.